Welcome to my humble abode, my bathroom. Today we're doing a twist out, tonight actually, because it is currently 9:02 p.m. FYI, twist outs and Abby are not good friends. In fact, I don't remember the last time I did a twist out. Let's see. The last time I did a twist out on my channel, 1 year ago. Anyways, doing a twist out, my hair is freshly washed. For those of you wondering what my hair looks like in its natural texture with no product, this is it. A hot mess. As far as products that we're using today, we are going to be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. This one. And I'm also going to be using some Kinky Curly Not Today, A1, Bomb.com, all that good stuff. This thing right here, okay? And then our final product, aside from water, will be our Eco Styler Gel. First and foremost, if you know Abby, you know she likes to work in sections. So now that I have my little cocktail ready, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. First things first, you wanna have love, okay? You wanna love your hair. Honestly, I feel like that is the key to like good hairstyles, good hair days. When you're doing your hair, make sure you feel good. Make sure whatever you're doing is because you love your hair. You don't want to forget how much you love your hair. First thing you want to do is grab your section. My hair is a little bit damp. I want it to be a little bit more wet because I feel like the products take in a little bit better when my hair is wet. So I'm gonna grab my spray bottle. We're gonna add some water. Cool. Then I'm gonna take my Not Today, Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna take a good amount of the product, not too much. You apply that, boom. You see how your fingers should be running through? That's how your fingers should be running through with that Kinky Curly. I guarantee it, okay? Guarantee it. Kinky Curly Not Today, they don't play, not today. Take that Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. Sorry, I don't know why I stumbled over that. I'm gonna take, as always, index finger worth and maybe a little bit more. Take that, warm it up in your hands, and put it all over that section one more time. Now is when you're gonna start working in your little subsections. I'm gonna grab some gel, put it over that section, boom. Gonna detangle one more time, and then I'm gonna start twisting. At the end of the twist, when you finish twisting, I like to take that excess product and just take it out and just wipe my hands real quick and keep on moving. We're down to the last section, and I wanted to come here and tell you guys a couple of tips that I have when it comes to twisting. Now these are some things that I needed to learn when I first started doing my twist outs in my hair. I realized that I was doing a lot of things wrong that was causing my hair to frizz, causing my twist outs not to last. So the number one thing, obviously, is to have your hair detangled, right? Always have your hair detangled so that when you're twisting and you're ready to separate, once the hair is dry, you'll be able to separate with ease and have that nice definition in your twist. The second thing is to make sure that you know what products you're using and what products work best for your hair. Know what works for your hair so that it can be able to dry in a decent amount of time and you can have the definition and the look can actually last. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you are separating equal parts or as equal as possible. Because I know a lot of times, like for me, for example, my hair is thinner at the front and thicker here. So sometimes I have to grab a little bit more hair or do it at an angle, like part it at an angle to be able to grab more hair. I say this because once you start twisting your hair, right, you want to make sure that you're only twisting those two pieces that you have. Because what you don't want to do is like take a piece from over here and bring it into this twist and then keep twisting, because that's what causes frizz when you start separating the twists once they're dry. I'm one of those people that I like to twist tight from the top and then continue twisting down. Some people like to leave some space at the top and not do it so tight and then continue to give it volume when your hair is dry. That's not me, but if you like to do that, go ahead. The next tip is to twirl as you twist, right? So I like to make sure, you see how this is the regular hair, I twirl and then I twist, right? Twirl, twist around, twirl, twist around, twirl, twist around, and I continue doing that. Next and final tip, maybe not final, but make sure that you detangle as you go. If you feel even like 1 or 2 strands that are getting out of place, detangle your hair. I guarantee you that this will allow for your twist out to be bomb the next day when you take it out. And then if you need to, take some product, maybe gel, and put it at the tips. I'm not gonna do that because my hair has enough product already, but you can take a little bit more product, put it at the end, and make sure that you remove excess product. And bam. So, it is the next morning and we're gonna go ahead and take our twist down. So, I have my Luxmaine Ayurvedic Hair Growth Oil Cocktail. I'm gonna take some of that and just kind of rub it all over my hands so that as I'm removing the twist, I can start applying this. Now, when I feel like I have too much product, I kind of just put it all over. So, here we go. All I do is kind of like twist the opposite way and then separate. Twist the opposite way and separate. Oh, they feel so nice and fluffy. I should leave it just like this. Look at that. Y'all see that shine? That definition? Now, the key to separating is patience and belief. I'm gonna take one piece and I'm gonna kind of stretch it. And you see how it starts like forming its own little spaces? Like right here. Can you see that? Right here, it already started separating. And right here. That's all I'm gonna do, because as the day goes on and your hair wants to do whatever it wants, it's gonna start gaining some volume. Now see here, see that right here? It does it on its own. All you have to do is find it and separate. All right, typically I would take a pick and add some volume, but I want this twist out to last a little bit longer. I feel like when I add volume, it takes away from how long it lasts. So I'm gonna leave it alone. I think it looks great. What do you guys think? Look at that. I think the definition is on point, right? I got a little cute twist out going on here. I'm gonna just fleek my edges